Welcome back to Latino Motion. We'll continue our discussion with Kelly Burgess.
Very much for having me, Bert.
You're a registered dietitian, and we're not just going to talk about good eating habits. There's a lot of things involved with good health that
And this is Freedom's Well. Today we are here with Kelly Burgess of To Better Health. And Kelly is a nutritionist.
Thank you so much for having me on your podcast. I am very grateful to be here.
Let's talk about some of the other strategies that we should implement.
Be trying to lose about 10 to 14 pounds, and that's where someone like myself is available to help them do that, because it's not always easy losing weight at all.
But those are obtainable goals, obviously, that you can strive. You don't try to do a fat diet or try to lose all the weight at once.
Because what we find with most people who do fad diets is they lose the weight quickly and then they put it back on plus extra. Our education is dispersed or available is a successful event because at least it shows that the commitment to trying to get to the community. We cannot deny the impact of nutrition or the importance that it plays in our lives. It is so central. And that is something that we can hopefully have some power over. Sometimes we don't, because it depends on the communities in which we live or where we're from and the level of education that we have and the access that we have to very healthy food. We can talk about sleep. Sleep is really important, and I think that as Americans we underestimate the value of sleep. So many of us will say, oh, I can exist off of 5 hours of sleep a night or 4 hours of sleep per night. I mean, we're all guilty as charged, right?
Oh, yes, definitely. Let's talk about stress management, another one of the steps that we should be looking at.
A lot of stress out on the job or at home, that can affect your health, incredibly. But whatever the circumstances, my belief is to work within whatever that patient or client has access to and make it the best of what it could be, so that they can improve their outcome. My philosophy is it's never too late to learn about nutrition, never. But if you can't get through, say, an hour's worth of exercise, maybe you can do about a half an hour. If you can do that 5 days per week, that's an excellent strategy to start out. Well, we can talk about making a delicious homemade sofrito, and that would be absolutely wonderful.
Love having you at all of my events.
Any event where education is dispersed or available is a successful event because at least it shows that the commitment to trying to get to the community.
Thank you for sharing this vital information with our audience, and thank you for joining us at home once again here on Latino Motion.